Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to categorize posts for creating pages on your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com, let's get logged in, and we'll get our email address and our password. Okay, that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. So let's go ahead and let's get rid of this and let's go full screen. And then from dashboard, what we want to do is go to website. This is where our editing tools are for creating posts and pages and our settings. We're going to be focusing on posts and pages today. So let's go ahead and before we categorize our first post, let's go ahead and take a quick look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. So currently we have a blog, and our blog has all of our posts. Now, we're not going to have to create the posts, and we've already categorized most of these, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. We have a hiking page. We're going to also create a pictures page and a benefits page. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And we're on website right now. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our posts. And we have already created all of these posts, and we've already categorized most of them. So let's go to benefits of having a website. We're going to click the edit button right here. And then where it says category, there's a drop down. You can click here to create a new category, or you can use the drop down. We already have benefits in here. So let's go ahead and just check benefits. And then once you have the categorized, have it categorized, you're going to click update. So if we go to our posts, all of these have already been categorized. So let's go ahead and go to pages, and let's go ahead and create a new page, and we're going to title this one benefits, and we're going to check the include posts right here, and we're going to filter by category. Now we have the category on our posts, which is going to provide the category for the pages. This one's going to go under benefits, so all of our benefit posts are going to be under this benefits page. So let's go ahead and title this down here as well. And we'll just center. Let's go green, bold, italic, and let's go ahead and jump up to 14. And let's go ahead and, well, let's go 18 on that. And let's create this page. And then we're going to go back to pages. So we just created hiking and benefits. Hiking we already created. We have benefits. Now we need to create one more page. And we're going to call this pictures. We're going to include posts. And then we're going to categorize them with pictures. So all of our picture posts are going to show up on this page. So let's go down here. Pictures, and this is going to show up on the page. So let's go ahead and go green on that, and we'll go 18 point, bold, italic, center that, and let's go ahead and create that page as well. So let's go to our pages, and we have our hiking, benefits, and pictures, and I'm going to move the hiking to the last. So we have benefits, pictures, and hiking. And under hiking, I don't believe we've categorized that one yet. We already created it, but let's click include posts, and we're going to categorize it with hiking, and we're going to update. So now we have created all of our posts and categorized them, and we created our pages and categorized them. So let's go back to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and refresh this. So let's do a hard reset, Control F5. And now we have our benefits, our pictures, and our hiking pages. So currently on our blog page, we have all of our blog posts showing. And then on our new pages that we just created, here's our benefits. We categorize the benefit posts. So we have our welcome posts, we have the benefits of a blog and benefits of having a website. On our pictures page, we have our picture gallery post and our latest beautiful rainbows post. And then on our hiking page, we have our Santiago Peak, our bungee jumping, and our hiking above the clouds. So you can see that these three have been categorized, and we still have everything listed on our blog page. We have all of our posts listed on there because we didn't categorize this page. This page we just hit include posts, and on these three pages we went ahead and categorized those. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect, and we're going to go back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how you categorize posts for creating pages on your website with Dataczar Connect.